Good day, students, and welcome again sa ating subject na inquiries, investigations, and immersion. So, tayo ay nasa lesson pa rin na brainstorming for a research topic. Okay, now, under the lesson brainstorming for a research topic, we are on formatting a title page. So, in this lesson, tuturuan ko kayong gumawa ng title page ng inyong research. Bago sa ating lesson proper ay mag-review muna tayo, no? Tingnan natin kung may natutunan kayo sa ating last lesson. So, ito ngayon yung direction. Identify the violated guidelines in writing research title on the following slides given. So, bibigyan kayo ng research title, ano? So, tingnan nyo ngayon kung ano yung na-violate na guidelines sa pagsusulat ng title, ano? So, I'm going to read the title twice and after that, you will be given 5 seconds to identify kung ano ba yung guidelines na hindi nasunod base sa title na ipapakita, no? Okay, so first one, Disaster Risk Reduction Management Program of Rizal Provincial Government. Again, Disaster Risk Reduction Management Program of Rizal Provincial Government. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ganito ang sagot nyo. Okay, so use no punctuation at the end of the title. So kung yan ang sagot nyo, kayo ay tama. So bakit? Gumamit ng question mark dun sa title. So dapat wala niyan, ano? Okay, punta tayo sa susunod. In-depth psychosocial analysis and study of school motivation and practices of grade 12 students in San Roque National High School, Barangay San Roque, Antipolo City for school year 2020 to 2021. I'll repeat. In-depth psychosocial analysis and study of school motivation and practices of grade 12 students in San Roque National High School, Barangay San Roque, Antipolo City for school year 2020 to 2021. Timer starts. Alright. So, kung ito ang sagot nyo, if possible, the title should not be longer than 15 substantive words. So, tama kayo. Bakit? So, sobra-sobra na sa 15 yung substantive words na kasama dyan sa title na yan. Sobrang haba niya. Okay, tingnan pa natin. Ano pa yung iba? So, kung ito pa yung sagot nyo, the title must be broad enough to include all aspects of the study but should be brief and concise as possible. So, kayo ay tama rin, ano? So, hindi brief yung title and concise. Hindi siya maikli. So, hindi rin siya specific, ano? Sobrang broad. Napakalawak. Pero, at the same time, hindi siya maikli, ano? It should be brief and concise as possible. So, ano pa yung nagpamali dito or hindi nasunod dito? Tingnan natin kung may naisip pa kayo. Okay, kung ito yung naisip nyo, kayo ay tama ulit. So, the use of the terms such as analysis of, study of, an investigation of, assessment of, evaluation of, and the like should be avoided. So, sa title na to, meron ng term na analysis, may study of pa, no? So, understood naman na yan ay ginagawa sa research. So, dapat hindi na nilagyan ng mga salitang iyan. Okay, so tumama ba kayo sa tatlong ito? Kung tama kayo sa tatlo, punta na tayo sa kasunod. Enhancing the learning styles of grade 12 students in San Roque National High School. Again, enhancing the learning styles of grade 12 students in San Roque National High School. Timer starts now. Alright, tingnan natin kung ganda yung sagot nyo. Okay, so do not underline the title of the research or enclose it in a quotation marks. Instead, use italics in place of underlining, ano? So, tingnan natin. So, tama kaya kayo? Yan, okay? So, ano yung nagpamali dyan? Okay, bakit nilagyan ng underline yung title? So, dapat hindi yan naka-underline, ano? Okay, so next. Ayan, obvious na obvious, ano? Enhancement of English grammar competencies of grade 11 students through academic games. Again, enhancement of English grammar competencies of grade 11 students through academic games. Timer starts now. So, ito ba ang inyong sagot? Okay, kung ito ang sagot nyo, kayo ay tama ulit. So, if the title contains more than one line, it should be written in inverted pyramid, ano? So, in this case, hindi to naka-inverted pyramid, ano? Pyramid ang, ano niya, ang kanyang shape, ano? So, yun yung nagpamali sa kanya. Dapat inverted pyramid yung title. Okay. So, punta na tayo sa bandang huli. Okay, last one. Tingnan natin. So, nasa title page siya, no? So, ang title ay Alcohol Drinking, Reasons, Effects, and Preventions. Lakihan natin. Baka di nyo nababasa. Alcohol Drinking, Reasons, Effects, and Prevention. Okay, so ano yung na-violate niyang guidelines? Timer starts now. Okay, so if your answer is, okay, when typed or encoded in the title page, all words in the title should be in capital letters. So, kayo ay tama ulit. So, in this case kasi, hindi siya naka-all cap. So, dapat naka-all capital yung title. Ano? It should be written in all capital letters. Okay, so assign Okay, so in addition dun sa natutunan natin, okay, so in addition dun sa natutunan nyo last time, the title must contain the following elements, ano? The subject matter of the research, the setting or locale of the study, respondents or participants involved in the study, and the time or period when the study was conducted. Okay, so hope everything is fine. Now, let's go with our lesson proper. Ano? So, punta na tayo sa paggawa ng title page. So, unahin natin yung name of the part. Ano? Unahin natin yung name of the part. So, this one, yung nasa pinakang taas. Okay? So, yan. Alcohol drinking reasons, effects, and prevention. So, ano bang tawag natin sa part na yan? Okay, so yan na yung tinatawag na title of the research. So, ano yung kanyang format ngayon? Paano siya sinusulat? Okay, it should be Arial 12. So, yung font style niya ay Arial. It should be center, all capital. So, all cap siya. Written in all capital letters. Single space. And it should be written in inverted pyramid form. Next. So, itong part na to, ano bang tawag natin dito? Okay, this is called the name of the researchers. So, obvious naman, ano, mga pangalan yan ng mga researchers. And aside from that, may nakalagay na researchers sa taas. So, paano naman siya pinoformat, ano? Okay, so, again, so Arial 12 rin siya. Center, all caps, single space. Then, yung pangalan ng researchers. First name, followed by the middle initial and surname. So, sa pagsusulat ng mga pangalan, write the name according to number of contributions. Ibig sabihin, kung sino yung may pinakamaraming naiambag sa research. Usually, yung group leader. Ano? But not in the, most in the case, group leader ang maraming naiambag. Ano? May mga case na exceptional lang, pagkatamad yung leader. Ano? So, mula sa may pinakamaraming naiambag hanggang sa may pinaka-kaunti. Ganun yung paggagawa ng pangalan, yung pagkakasunod-sunod niya, no? Okay. So, next, ano naman to? Okay. So, this is the name of your research teacher, ano? Okay. Then, paano siya sinusulat? So, ganun pa rin, ano? Arial 12, center, all capital, single space, then the first name of your research teacher, the middle initial, and the surname. And then, ito yung educational degree of your research teacher. Ano? Kung tapos ng MA, kung tapos ng doctorate ang inyong research teacher, kailangan ilagay nyo rin. Ano? Okay. So, hopefully ay malinaw ang lesson natin sa araw na to. No? Okay? So, bago ko tapusin tong lesson na to, ay mag-iiwan ako sa inyo ng isang mahalagang paalala. Okay. Ang research ay gaya ng babae o lalaking mahal mo. Hindi mo dapat sukuan. Okay? So, with that, good luck and God bless sa inyo. Ang research ay gaya ng babae o lalaking mahal mo. Hindi mo dapat sukuan. So, yan. Good day and God bless sa inyo.